Hello, I'm James Elliott, Professor of Macromolecular Materials Science at the University of Cambridge. I'm trying to understand the behaviour of powders, which are a key raw material in the pharmaceutical manufacturing industry, and what happens when they flow or are compacted to make tablets. Making tablets might sound very simple, but even though they've been around for more than 150 years, we've still got problems knowing how to handle new drugs in large-scale production. Billions of tablets are consumed worldwide every day, and arguably we can't afford for even one of them to be faulty. At Cambridge, we've been addressing this challenge by a combination of digital design and targeted experiments. For me, the key thing about digital design is that moving elements of R&D from the physical to the virtual environment allows manufacturers to dematerialise the associated risks and costs. This will enable them to investigate and invest more widely in pursuing candidate drugs. We can help develop or improve new types of medication, such as controlled release tablets or dry powder inhalers. And ultimately, as consumers of drugs, we'll all benefit by having new and better medicines available more rapidly and shorter times from discovery to availability. The pharmaceutical manufacturing industry is still one of the UK's biggest sectors, and so by investing in knowledge and skills in this area, we'll help keep the country prosperous and create high-tech jobs. As part of the ADDoPT project, we've developed workflows which allow industrialists to translate our science into the field and use it on a day-to-day basis to improve their products. For example, we work with industrial partners to take data from their compaction simulators and use it to make digital simulations of tablet compaction, which enable faster prototyping of processes and tooling. We've also worked collaboratively to develop digital models of tablet coating, which can predict the optimum conditions for batch size for tablets of different shape. I'd be delighted to discuss taking these sorts of approach more broadly into industrial practice.